Wat Phrathat Chae Haeng. This is the birth year temple for Jai. And it is in Nan.
In Nan province, Thailand. It represents rabbit.
The year of the rabbit.
Wat Phrathat Chae Haeng. It's beautiful. It's around 600 or 700 years.
600 or 700 years old.
Yeah.
It's got a big naga that goes down the entrance over there. It's a very big area here. I don't know exactly where the temple is. I'm guessing we'll just walk to the back and find it. Right here as you go inside the temple, it has a non-tourist map. So there's a lot of things to see around here, and it shows you there where each of these things, where you can find them. The main entrance to enter is right over here, but they've closed it off where you can't drive in anymore. You have to walk in or go to the parking area and then walk. And as with all of the temples, they've got a huge tree in the front. They're either just getting ready to play some music or they've already finished. I would say they've not finished yet, it's early. I might as well show the rabbit because this temple represents the rabbit, such as mine represented the snake. It's a cute little rabbit too. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I will say so in the description if I'm wrong, but the monks' bones are in the pagoda here. There's another rabbit here. So it appears that I have to take my shoes off here. Well, others have not. Okay, this is the entrance into the temple. For sure, I have to take my shoes off here to go in.
ซึ่งหมูปกติเลยเราไปกระสงมือเอาโทรศัพท์ของเราของเรียกว่ามาให้สองมือ
I almost forgot to take my hat off too. Watch that first step. And I can only guess that this is the monk, that the remains are here. Nothing says so here. I'm thinking I can't walk back there, so I won't. They have a lot of gold leaf stuff up on the roof, but they don't have any paintings or anything on the walls. This is where the monks will come sit for prayer. It looks, this is kind of the Chinese style roof, isn't it?
You see this? Represent the
Yeah, I saw it. So this is the pagoda, so this is where the monks' bones are supposed to remain. I'm going to put this in for those of you that can read Thai. You can pause it. And there's another over here. I don't know if it's a prayer? Okay. So it's a prayer. So Jai says.
pray 3 times.
So you do this prayer 3 times walking around. And I see there are some people doing that. I can only assume they had a recent ceremony here because they're tearing down some platforms that they had built.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
There's names on these. They must be donations. People must have bought those and put them up donations. See the little rabbits around here? Again, more of the silk that's here. A gold leaf rabbit here, Jai. Gold leaf rabbit.
Yeah.
I guess after us going to the White Temple, my expectations were higher to see more here. I'm surprised to see inside they didn't have any hand painting on the walls inside the temple. We have two rabbits here together.
Just stand here.
Okay. Jai between the rabbits.
Yeah, Thailand.
They have their own.
You're gonna feel like you're gonna have lucky or something.
Yeah, that's cool. There's many different ways that you can donate here.
Yeah.
And you got little rabbits scattered all around this. Jai's standing by the big rabbit here by the entrance to the temple.
This the statue of เจ้าพระยาคราดเมืองแล้วก็ the first leader of Nan province.
Oh, okay.
The statue.
Okay, I spotted over here on this other side other things. I'm not sure what anything is, but we'll walk over and take a look. I mean, after all, we drove for a few hours to get here because this is the Year of the Rabbit, which is the only temple in Thailand for the Year of the Rabbit. So we came here specifically for this. Oh, there's a big Buddha in there. I can see it from here. Yeah, for sure they had some sort of a recent ceremony. They have stands everywhere around here. It's kind of cool. It's some sort of a trailer they have built. Looks like it has old train wheels on it, but it really has rubber wheels mounted.
This is the part when have parade of Buddhist lamp candles. When one times a year, and they gonna like a wheel this go to town.
Oh, okay.
Competition. Which temple like the candles more beautiful.
This is the entrance that they have closed off. They're no longer letting people come in this way, but it's got a big naga on each side of the entrance that guides you straight into the temple. So I'm continuing walking down to the front, the entrance area, and this is the main road you come down to get here. This is our first time in the Nan province.
Nan province.
Jai keeps saying I'm saying it wrong. but it's not none like N-O-N-E, and it's not nan like N-A-N. It's something that's right between that. That's non province. Okay, everybody, we hope you enjoyed the tour of the, what's the name of it?
วัดพระธาตุแช่แห้งNas province, Nan province, Thailand.
Easy for her to say, right? If you like this content, please reach down at the bottom down there, mash the like and subscribe. It'll help our channel. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
Out.
Maybe.